Welcome back my channel Cars is Car. Intro. Welcome to the future of adventure with the Rivian R2 Pickup. Rivian is back with a new electric truck that promises to be your ideal off-road companion without breaking the bank. So, let's dive in and explore what makes this truck a serious contender. Exterior design. The R2 carries Rivian's signature look, think sleek LED light bars and smooth curves, but in a more compact form compared to the R1T. This truck is rugged, practical, and ready for the wild, yet still urban-friendly. Plus, the pop-out rear windows and roll-down glass add utility for those long camping trips. Interior and technology. Step inside, and you'll find an interior designed for both comfort and utility. Ford has outfitted the Raptor EV with premium materials, think leather trimmed seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a 15.5-inch touchscreen with SANC 4A. The dash is clean, with customizable driver displays and lots of smart features, like wireless phone charging and multiple USB ports. One of the coolest features? This electric Raptor comes with a front trunk offering even more storage space. Perfect for those weekend adventures. Performance and capability. Now let's talk power. The Raptor EV delivers instant torque thanks to its dual motor setup, pushing well over 775 lb-ft of torque and rumored horsepower rivaling the gas-powered Raptor R models. With this level of torque, you'll feel the power no matter the terrain, with a towing capacity of around 10,000 pounds and a payload capability of up to 2,000 pounds. This truck isn't just for play, it means business. Range and charging. Ford has engineered the Raptor EV for endurance, offering a range of approximately 300 miles. You can juice it up overnight with a home charging system or get back on the road quickly with fast charging stations, gaining up to 80% charge in under 40 minutes. Unique features and tech. Rivian doesn't skimp on tech. The R2 includes 11 cameras and 5 radar units to support hands-free, eyes-off driving on highways, bringing it in line with some of the best self-driving systems on the market. Amazon-backed infotainment, smart haptic controls on the steering wheel, and over-the-air updates keep everything running smoothly. Pricing and availability. Priced around $45,000, the R2 aims to make adventure accessible. It will launch in 2026, with production taking place at Rivian's Illinois factory. If you're ready to reserve yours, now's the time, because this truck is set to redefine what an electric pickup can do. That wraps up our first look at the Rivian R2 Pickup. Are you ready for the electric adventure? Let us know what you think in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more exciting reviews.